Presenting IMUNI Specialised Probiotics Plus, the optimal probiotic to support immune system and digestive health. This premium, high-quality blend of probiotics is designed to support the immune system to fight illness, reduce occurrence of symptoms of upper respiratory tract infection, and relieve symptoms of medically diagnosed irritable bowel syndrome. This evidence-based blend of probiotics also contains lemon balm, which is traditionally used in Western herbal medicine to relieve symptoms of mild anxiety and stress, as well as digestive discomfort, indigestion, cramping, and bloating. IBS is the most common functional gastrointestinal disorder in the world, affecting up to 1 in 5 Australians. It is now well established that probiotic strains such as LGG, ibSium, and Lactobacillus plantarum may be effective in alleviating symptoms of IBS. Human clinical trials have also found certain probiotic strains to be effective in reducing the risk of upper respiratory tract infections in both adults and children.